Good morning. This is April 7th of 2022. It is Thursday. It is 6:47 and I got this offer. Okay, now we have a 725 for 4 miles. But it's Wendy's. What is the... So there's a $5 tip on this, according to Para. Man, but Wendy's. Wendy's. No, I don't want to do Wendy's. But I'll take it. So let's go pick up that Wendy's, which is just right there down the road. I'm literally sitting at the parking plaza of Wendy's. I don't know, probably 400 feet, 500 feet away from me. As you guys can see, right there's what, 600 feet away. So let's go, and I know it is windy, we need to go inside to pick up, and that's one of the reasons I remember that I don't have to go to the drive-thru. They require us to go inside, so possibility this order might be... Won't take me too long to pick it up. So let's see what happens. So question to all of you. Do you guys know, has anything changed recently with Doordash? Because this Wendy's says that new Doordash policy, that we as drivers are required to fill the drinks. Hold on. So I kind of wonder, did something change? I will probably, if I have time, call and find out. I guess it's probably not DoorDash's policy, it's just Wendy's manager's policy. And his excuse when I said the policy says we are not, and his excuse is, but if the policy would say not to fill the drinks, then other drivers wouldn't. But it seems like everybody does it. So guys, I think doesn't matter what the policy does, if we do it, they'll make us do it because we're doing it. And I don't want to take a responsibility filling a wrong drink, not giving enough of ice or giving too much of ice. And second, we don't even, that information about ice is not even given on our side, it's only given on their side. So I guess Wendy's is off the list. You know, sometime I would take it. Right now I don't see a point taking it anymore. If they're telling us to violate terms and conditions. And I wouldn't be surprised, pretty soon we'll be needing to require to be taking ketchup packages and other packages, then eventually we'll be required to go in and grab the French fries for the customers. And you know, in about 2 years, we will have this no cook buildings where we'll be going in and prepping the food and delivering the food for customers. Why do these restaurants need these people if we as drivers can do it all? For $2.25, that's right. We can do it all for $2.25. So that order turned into $8.25. $6 hidden tip. Para was saying $5 hidden tip. Geez, I need to remember I have a theory how Para runs without accessing the data, the Doordash's data, tip data, which, DoorDash prohibit them to. And I have a theory how they're still achieving. They're still guessing on the gas. Like right now, they were guessing it's a $5 and it turned out to be $6. So the system, they're collecting data as well from every single one of us as drivers as we accept these orders and we take orders. So right now they're gonna assign to this customer that he tips $6. So then they'll look at average of sometimes he tips $5, sometimes he tips $6, and based on those averages, then they create and they kind of do that assumption. Okay, on this order, the order was about this much, was based on the criteria, so this driver tipped $5 because this customer, because they have a history right now on that customer. So all it is, the order has to match from the previous orders. Then they look up and they say, okay, previously that's how much he paid, so he most likely paid this much, just as much as well. Hopefully that makes sense.